IKEA is committed to halving emissions by FY30 compared to FY16 baseline, and then getting to net zero by FY50. Materials and energy as such, materials, food, ingredients, and energy, they constitute around 67% of our overall footprint. So when I talk about energy, it's both production plus transportation, and then materials and food ingredients, roughly about 50%. So if I just start off moving towards 100% renewable energy is a key enabler to us getting to our net zero goals. So if I start off with production, which is 10% of our footprint, we are around 60% of the energy is consumed as heat, and we are really working with suppliers to phase out fossil fuels as such. We are moving towards complete electrification of production processes. We have set short-term goals. By FY25, we would have already phased out the use of coal on site and also the use of fossil fuels, oil-based fossil fuels on site. And then we have an ambition to phase out natural gas completely by FY30. So we have an ambition on the production side to reduce our emissions by 80% by FY30 compared to our baseline year FY16. We are at 32% reduction now, so there is a job to do in the next 5 years from now. And then on the material side of things, which is the biggest part of our footprint, we have set a goal of halving emissions by FY30, and we are at 7% emission reduction now. And we are working on various initiatives, moving towards using materials with lower footprint, moving towards more plant-based food when it comes to food ingredients, but also aiming to use only recycled or renewable materials by 2030. So these are some of the main movements that we are really on to transform materials, food ingredients, and then the whole energy systems as such.